Ladies and gentlemen, we continue to get you the twists after twists in this Pune murder cover-up. Now, in the latest, we have Ajit Pawar. We have tried to confront him on the links that are emerging with his NCP MLA, and also, of course, why did he call the police commissioner of Pune on the matter? He has, in fact, dashed off to Pune. He has held a 6 a.m. Early morning meeting with the Pune top cop. What we are learning is that in the wee hours with Amitesh Kumar, and now suddenly, all of a sudden, in his official schedule, in his itinerary, what we are learning of that he's going to hold a metro inspection, which was not even part of his official schedule that we have accessed, let us tell you. Now, of course, this raises the questions, what is Ajit Pawar trying to do? Is he now trying to, go in a damage control mode, or is he running a parallel probe? Because A, he meets the Pune top cop in the wee hours at 6 a.m. in the morning. He holds a meeting with Amitesh Kumar. Then he calls a meeting to inspect the metro work. But why will he secretly meet the top cop, who's already under fire for covering up the VVIP murder probe, at 6 a.m. in the morning? Now, that is the big question. And in fact, Republic has also confronted the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, and all he did was shut the door and walk away. Sandeep, my colleague who in fact confronted Ajit Pawar, is right now joining us live on the broadcast. Sandeep, of course, questions are being raised now. Why will Ajit Pawar hold this secret meeting? Devendra Fadnavis has been speaking on the matter. He rushed to Pune after this investigation had kicked off. He held a meeting with the top cops. But we don't understand why suddenly Ajit Pawar has to rush to Pune and suddenly hold a meeting on the metro inspection, which was not even part of his official schedule. And then there is this secret meeting also that is happening with Amitesh Kumar.
Rakshita, at this point in time, you raised one of the important point out here is that, why did Ajit Pawar cross over Devendra Fadnavis? Remember, Devendra Fadnavis heads Home Department, and the police department comes under his department. But ultimately, when this incident happened, it was Ajit Pawar. In fact, Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar had confirmed yesterday that Ajit Pawar called him a day after the incident. So the details of the conversation was not revealed, that what exactly Ajit Pawar asked. And the biggest question, Rakshita, out here is that why is Sunil Tingre not in Pune? Where is he? Who is helping Sunil Tingre to flee? Or, why is Pune police not questioning Sunil Tingre over his alleged role in the Pune Porsche case? So there are multiple questions that needs to be answered. And in fact, today, early in the morning at around 6 and 7 in the morning, we tried confronting Ajit Pawar regarding missing of Sunil Tingre, regarding the influence in the case. Ajit Pawar was tight-lipped. He did not speak anything, in fact. And we are standing outside his residence. This is his residence out here in Pune. He is supposed to meet Amitesh Kumar in the evening. That is what we've been told. But ultimately, what our sources have informed that he has cancelled that meeting. That is what being said, and there are chances that rather than meeting Amitesh Kumar, he is going to go Baramati today in the evening. That is being said by the sources and the security guards out here at Ajit Pawar's residence. So it is very much evident, Rakshita, that be it Ajit Pawar, be it Sunil Tingre, or be it Pune Police Commissioner, they all are running away from the questions of Republic TV, and in fact none of them are coming in front and giving the exact reason of why Sunil Tingre was in fact not present, was present at the police station. Why did he visited the accident spot? Was there any kind of influence or not? So these are the questions that needs to be answered.
And in court, we have put across this question to Ajit Pawar. Thanks so much for the moment, Sandeep. We will, of course, come back to you as we continue to get our viewers the latest on that. We will just take a look at that sequence where Sandeep, in fact, tried to confront Ajit Pawar. All he did was just shut the door and, go away in his car. He had no answers when asked about Sunil Tingre and his whereabouts. Take a look at that.
सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे।
And now we shift our focus to the Lok Sabha elections. There are, of course, the seventh phase. The polling of the campaigning for the final phase is now reaching its conclusion, and all the top ministers and all the top leaders, the top contenders for the respective constituencies are hitting the campaign trail with all the zest and intensity. Republic TV, in fact, has spoken to Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, where he took on Rahul Gandhi and the various controversial statements that includes those on the Agniveer scheme. Take a listen in.